Hi, welcome to clickmeproject.com. The title of our project is Collaborative Testing of Web Services. So web service in the sense the service to the people through the web. The user can register their details with that service and they can access the application. So here we collaborate, that means we combine the two services. One is a insurance service and another one is a bank service. For what purpose do we need bank service means if the user want to get any insurance policy means after getting insurance they have to pay some amount. So if the user getting some account in that bank means they have to transfer their money from the bank. And then here the important one is the car insurance broker service. He only combine these two services. They cannot issue any of insurance from their own. They get the service from the other insurance policy and then issue to the user. So here the car insurance broker act as an intermediate between the original insurance service and to the users. So the user get a policy from the service through the insurance broker. So after that the application will be handled by the car insurance broker, but the important one is security. So for the security the testing will be increased. So the software testing is the important one. Here we test each and every step occurring in that services. That is the inbuilding code to test the every service. If the test result will be succeed means the policy will be issued to the end user, otherwise it will be halt. Let's see the data flow diagram of our project. This is the data flow diagram of our project, in which the first step is user request a task to the car insurance broker. So before that car insurance broker get the service from the insurance and the bank service. So the details will be submitted by the user can be checked by the car insurance broker. So the test broker will generate the test cases and these test cases will be submitted to the search engine. From that database the test result will be analyzed. From that the result will be positive. That means the test broker give the positive result means the service will be established. That means the insurance policy can be get by the user or else the service will be halt. And another one, if the user get the insurance policy means the next step is they gonna get paid the money. So by using the bank service application the car insurance broker can transfer the money from the bank details of the particular one. So in the certain period their insurance policy will be expired. So he can get the another one option as a renewal process. So the user can renewal through the service. Let's see the demo of our project. So first step is open the Visual Studio and then run the project. For our project we have to add the two services. So one for bank service and another one for insurance policy service. So run the project. It will be open in a browser. So this is the home page for our project. For the new user they can choose the choice as new policy and then start now. Without filling any details the user cannot navigate to the next page. So the basic information about the user, they have to fill their basic information, their name, email ID and then mobile number and then place. And then this is the basic information about their car details, that is car make, Honda, and then car model, the manufacture year and their registration date. So So after filling these all details, they can navigate to the next page. Username is admin, password as 1235. Can log in. So here we can see the F service and the T service. For the for that test service, they have two service. One is F service and another one is T service. Actually, a T service could be provided by the same organization of their normal service or by a third party that is independent of the normal service provider. And then T service can take the copy of the F service and then use the details for the further details. So F service detail means the car make, car model and the basic details filled by the user can be viewed here. So this is the original data. For the T service, the data will be copied from the F service. So now service to the current user. So this is the policy agency service. This will be taken by that insurance policy service. So the car insurance broker added this service into their application. So for that Bajaj, they have three levels of policy. One is standard, another one is basic, and then another one is flexible. So for that, the difference between the standard, basic and then flexible are the total premium amount. So these three values are a little bit different depend upon their values. So for the standard button, click and then basic button and then click the flexible button. So the amount will be varied from the standard to the basic and then basic to the flexible. So the user can choose their feasible amount to take the policy. If the user wanna take standard policy, means just click that standard and then confirm the amount and then click the buy button. So after that, they have to submit their registration number and then the policy start date will be generated automatically and then engine number. So and then bank name, PAN number. So the name will be displayed here and then give the address. And then area and then city. So this is the summary page. The details filled by the user can be checked in this page. All details filled by the user can be verified here. So policy standard and then check their amount. If they are accept this policy, means click this one and then proceed. So here the order name will be generated by that insurance policy company and then another one is total amount to be transaction. So payment option, whether it's a credit card option, debit card or internet banking or else cash. If we clicking the cash means the web service they provide the report only. If they click the credit card means click the submit button, it will navigate to the next page. Then the payment mode will be displayed here. They have to choose their card type. So by clicking this drop down list, we can view the list of services invoked by the car insurance broker service. So click the SBI and then the card expire date and then PIN number and then click submit button. So get details. We can view that the name, card type, and card number, PIN number, date of birth, balance, and then place. So after that, we are going to transfer the amount from our account to that insurance company. So now your amount transferred successfully. Your account balance will be viewed here. So that order number will be submitted by the user. They can view their report now. Then can we return to the home page. The already The user can be renew their policy by using this one. So you have to give the policy ID. First they have to fill that registration ID and then policy agency and then click view details. So now the amount will be, the extension date will be increased and also the amount will be paid by the user. Thank you.